Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted, to-the-point coding tutorials. Today we will be discussing handling packages in R. The install.packages function is an R function that you can use to install a package. In this code snippet, we install the dplyr package. dplyr is a popular R package for data manipulation. Once the package has been installed, we can load it into the session to start using its functions. We do this using the library function followed by the package name. For instance, library dplyr will load the dplyr package. To ensure that you're running the latest version of a package, you can use the update packages function. Use the function with the target package as an argument, as in update.packages dplyr. If you've accumulated packages that you no longer use, you can remove them from your library with the remove.packages function. Using remove.packages dplyr will remove the dplyr package. To find out what packages are currently loaded into the session, use the search function. This function displays all the packages loaded in your R session. To install multiple packages at once, you can use the install.packages function with a vector of package names as its argument. Here, install.packages c open parenthesis dplyr, ggplot2 installs both gplyr and ggplot2 at once. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding.